What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today I'm bringing you along as I plan out some of these potatoes. I actually have 2 packs of seed potatoes and then 1 bag of potatoes that we bought at the supermarket that started growing some eyes. So this will be a little test to see if there was growth inhibitor sprayed on them and that prevents them from growing good tubers, or if the supermarket and grocery store potatoes actually grow as well as the seed potatoes that are designed to be out here. These are russet potatoes, and you can see they have a bunch of eyes started on them. This one here is the Silverton russet. These guys are growing like crazy. These I did pick up at a Tractor Supply. This is a variety that my buddy Steve grows, the Kennebecs. And these guys are growing like crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead, start by adding a little compost because this is a brand new bed. I'm hoping to only maybe go halfway or so, and then this will at least get the soil ready for next season for me in this bed. First things first, I'm gonna add a layer of compost to the bottom here, and this thing is loaded with worms. If you guys have any questions, make sure you drop them down in the comments. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can come follow along and check out the things that are growing in the garden this year. I also picked up this soil from Lowe's, which I'm going to be adding to this as well. I'm just trying to bust up any large chunks I see. I did leave some of these seed potatoes down for my brother to plant as well. Ugh. This guy's not looking real great, but we'll see if anything comes of that. And I have one more. I guess I'll put it back, that just in case this guy doesn't do well, I'll put the other one here. Okay, I have to go grab some more compost and I'll be right back. I'm gonna add a little bit more compost to the covering. Same thing, any of these real large chunks, I wanna make sure I break them up so the roots and the tubers can develop well. Right there was the last potato I did. So the Silverton russet, I do have a little bit more. I know some of these have some crazy long growth. Hopefully they're gonna work out okay. That's probably more ideal. And I have 3 more, which I'm probably just going to put that into its own grow bag. Everything that I just planted has been the seed potato, and now closer to the halfway point of this bed, I'm going to run another set, and that's going to be the store-bought russet potatoes to see if they actually grow. Now, if I was getting wild and crazy, I would have cut these guys in at least half, but that's okay. Make sure, like I said, I break up some of these lumps. And maybe I'll come back over this way. These pieces that have growth, I do want to make sure I cover that so they don't get sun scalded. So now the plan is to allow these to start to grow. As they do, I can add another bag or 2 of soil and some compost to them, and then I'll have a mulch that I'll put down, some shredded leaves, over everything, and I even have some straw too, so I'll see how it goes, but definitely shredded leaves first. And I'll just go ahead and water these in really well. We got a ton of rain that came through, and then we have another storm coming through in about 3 days. Thanks for coming along, checking out planting my potatoes, and also a bit of an experiment to see if the grocery store potatoes actually grow well. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.